Good afternoon, everybody. We are on the Disney Wonder going to Alaska from Vancouver, and this is a stateroom review. It is 8508 near the front of the ship. This room sleeps 5. Get our, there we go. All right. Well, we'll start this out with the bathroom. It is a deluxe stateroom, so it's got the split bathroom. It's got your shelving to hold items on there in case we have rough seas. And you have your tub shower combo right here. It's a little higher up. That's kind of nice. Actually, I don't think it is that much higher up because you have to step in. Okay. And you have your items in here. And these are the lights to turn them all on and off. So you do not need a room key or any kind of hotel key to put in to keep the lights on like you do on the Fantasy and the Dream. Here's your laundry bag in case you want some laundry done. There's a nice safe where you can keep your wallets, passports, jewelry, your ladder for your bunk bed, the pull down. And some more space for your clothes, shoes. All your luggage can fit under here. We kind of live out of our luggage, so that's the way that works. And here we have some Disney glasses in case you need a drink. Some drawers. It's like a double drawer. So you can put stuff in there. We're kind of using this right here as kind of like a bag holder at the moment. You have your nice long mirror. And you can hang items like a wet bathing suit or something up there. I think we would only be hitting the hot tub at this point since we are going to Alaska. And your queen size bed. And your lovely Disney runner on the bed. I love these. And this right here is our Castaway gift. It is all the gifts together for the Pearl. Here we have the drapes. There's 2 sides to this one, so they just meet in the middle. Kind of keep the light out. Unfortunately for younger ones, for Alaska, there's about 18 hours of sunlight. So the light will still be kind of coming through, but we use the clip hangers and put them on the drapes over there to try and keep most of the light out. So this will fold down and it will turn into a bed, which is probably what our daughter will be using. And the table, we have some more storage in here. Our TV, which will swivel in and out and across. Our refrigerator. Nice and cool for drinks, or if you have medication you need to keep cold, you can keep it in there. Here's a little chair to sit in case you have some work or you want to write something. My favorite, Donald. And this is a nice drawer set. Since this sleeps 5, it holds a lot of space here for everyone's clothing or souvenirs. So here is the upper berth that will come down if you have young ones that want to sleep on a bunk bed, and that ladder will hook onto that. And this here is the Murphy bed. So this will sleep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Murphy bed's nice as well. So this is the balcony and the drapes, and this one meet in the middle as well. No, it's unlocked. Okay. See if I can get it open. There we go. So we are under good cover here. The spa is above us, which makes it nice. Alaska does have rain quite a bit, so it may hinder our view just a little bit, but we are protected from the elements. So due to this bump out, we have all metal walls around us on both sides. Great sound barrier. And we have chairs and a nice table. And here is the view of the port. There's the bridge up there, which I thought really would be in our way, and it's not. So we can sit here and, yeah, we can still see probably the mountains and the passageway, but we'll probably be up deck on top most of the time. But, yep, this is it. This is our nice little stateroom. We hope you guys enjoy it. Like our page if you do. And happy sailing.